It's Kyle Wyman, the 33, on the Harley-Davidson out front.
When you see a bagger, you think someone cruising down the highway, feet up, laid back, taking it easy. And then you translate it over to this and you see, oh my gosh, this is not taking it easy.
Oh my goodness.
They're just pushing those things past the absolute limit.
That's just not normal, but it's awesome to see. And it's amazing the fact that, yeah, these bikes can do it if you set them up right and you really get the right rider on it.
So there's a lot of performance focus on putting out a number for bragging rights on a dyno. And that's one type of power, and it's really admirable what some people are able to do. But if you can't get on that bike and you can't ride it and that power is not applied through the motorcycle to the road in a controlled manner, then it's just a number. And where Screamin Eagle has really focused is on developing a full portfolio of performance products, and in particular, suspension products to be able to control the motorcycle to maximize the power that is available.
Setup is huge in just allowing the rider to get comfortable. If you're not comfortable on the bike, there's no way you're going to be able to go fast. So suspension is huge, and I think even more so on these bikes.
The thing about testing is that you have to be at the limit, otherwise the feedback you give is not relevant. So we need to go out here and figure out where the ceiling is.
Kyle Wyman starting to spin up the rear of that Dunlop.
Being out here pushing that boundary, pushing the speed, keeping the engine RPMs up higher than we've ever seen, informs us about our next version of the Screamin Eagle product that we're going to be out there selling to the consumer. And the really great thing about this product and the collaboration between Öhlins and Harley-Davidson is that we could ensure that this product is set up correctly for the motorcycle of its intended fitment.
Road racing is a world of millimeters. You know, a 5 millimeter change in steering offset can change things dramatically. And those things are critical when you're trying to just live on that fine edge of grip and what the tires are capable of.
Kyle Wyman takes victory here.
I mean, we're pushing 160 miles an hour and 55 degrees of lead angle on a 635-pound bike, trying to slow them into a 90-degree corner. Like, it's phenomenal what the bikes are capable of and what the riders are capable of doing on them.